Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm 61 years old, and I've been working with Tina for about 2.5 months. My biggest gains working with Tina are, there are too many to count, like I can't even catalog them. I was hoping to regain some strength after kind of neglecting my body for about 15 years. I had gotten to the point where I couldn't even get up from a kneeling position without significant help. And so I wanted to have some mobility again. I wanted to hopefully address the osteopenia I had just recently been diagnosed with. But what I've actually gotten from Tina is my life back. I have always been a person who has been physically fit prior to having 2 kids in my 40s. And whatever I asked my body to do, like it could do it. And I had 100% completely lost that. It was hard for me to go up the stairs without pain. And for the first time in 15 years or so, I feel that possibility again. Like actually almost everything I ask my body to do now within reason, I can do. And that is because Tina knows how to develop a program specifically for my needs. She has helped me regain 100% mobility in my right shoulder and my right elbow. I haven't been able to straighten out my right elbow in about 8 years, and now I can. I've got about 95% mobility in my left shoulder by now, and it had been decreased by it was down to about 50%, and I'm back up to about 95, and I fully expect to get 100% mobility back. I would absolutely recommend Tina to anybody, like for anything. Her understanding of the body and functionality and dynamics is so nuanced. If I did an exercise and I said, no, this hurts, the bottom right outside of my right knee, she would give me an exercise to help that area, and it always took the pain away. And not only that, but it would strengthen that area enough that I could go back and do the original exercise that was causing it pain, and there would be no more pain. She has just such a nuanced understanding of how our bodies work and how to increase functionality and how to do that in a way that doesn't disrupt your day, which was really important to me because I could not afford to do a physical regimen that exhausted me or made me so sore that I couldn't really function the next day. And I have not missed a single workout, and it has not disrupted my schedule at all. And for that, I'm just so eternally grateful. So I would absolutely recommend seeing Tina for whatever it is that ails you, because she's amazing.